In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your background theme in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the customization options without any delay. You will usually want to be on a new tab page for this, since that is where Chrome displays the background and theme settings most clearly. Once Chrome is open, look for the Customize Chrome option. This is typically located on the new tab screen, often toward the lower right area of the page. Click on Customize Chrome to open the customization panel. This panel gives you access to different visual settings for your browser, including background and theme options. After the panel opens, select Theme. This is the section where you can browse the available styles and choose the one that fits your preference. Chrome may show you a selection of built-in themes, colors, and background looks. Take a moment to look through the options and choose the theme you want to use. When you select a theme, Chrome will usually apply the change right away, so you can immediately preview how it looks. This makes it easy to compare styles and decide which one works best for you. If you want a cleaner look, choose something simple and minimal. If you prefer a more colorful browser, you can pick a theme with stronger colors or more visual detail. A helpful tip is to choose a theme that still keeps your tabs and text easy to read. Some designs may look great at first, but readability is important if you spend a lot of time working in your browser. If needed, you can always return to the same Customize Chrome area and switch to a different theme later. That covers everything you need to know.